That's what you really are, this tiny little spark of light that flew out whenever it burst out. And when he did this, he said, "Go, my children, and learn. Learn everything. Learn everything that's possible to learn. Have every experience there is to be." That's what life is all about, experiences, lessons. And what did you learn from the experience? We get lost up in the negativity in the experience, not really realizing, what am I supposed to be learning from this whole thing? So he said, go and have all these experiences, learn everything, then come back and share with me. So we started on our journey. And we cannot finish until we graduate and finish everything, then we can return to God, dump all of our information into the gigantic computer.